Everyday English practice. Shadow 100 sentences and speak English today. Shadow after me.
I usually wake up before my alarm rings. I usually wake up before my alarm rings. I try to start my day with a positive mindset. I try to start my day with a positive mindset. After breakfast, I check my emails. After breakfast, I check my emails. I often plan my day in advance. I often plan my day in advance. I prefer taking a shower in the morning. I prefer taking a shower in the morning. I make sure to arrive on time. I make sure to arrive on time. I sometimes skip breakfast when I am busy. I sometimes skip breakfast when I am busy. I like to keep my room clean and organized. I like to keep my room clean and organized. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. I try to maintain a healthy routine. I try to maintain a healthy routine. It's been a long time since we last met. It's been a long time since we last met. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? I really enjoy talking with you. I really enjoy talking with you. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. I see your point, but I think differently. I see your point, but I think differently. Could you explain that again, please? Could you explain that again, please? I didn't quite understand what you meant. I didn't quite understand what you meant. Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it for a moment. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. In my opinion, this is the best option. In my opinion, this is the best option. I believe that practice is the key to success. I believe that practice is the key to success. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. I'm not sure if that's the right decision. I'm not sure if that's the right decision. I strongly feel that this is important. I strongly feel that this is important. There are many ways to solve this problem. There are many ways to solve this problem. I've been thinking about this for a while. I've been thinking about this for a while. It's hard to choose between the two. It's hard to choose between the two. I would rather stay at home today. I would rather stay at home today. I think we should try something new. I think we should try something new. I need to clean the house this weekend. I need to clean the house this weekend. I usually cook dinner for my family. I usually cook dinner for my family. I forgot to turn off the lights. I forgot to turn off the lights. I'm going to do the laundry later. I'm going to do the laundry later. I have to fix the broken chair. I have to fix the broken chair. I enjoy spending time at home. I enjoy spending time at home. I need to organize my desk. I need to organize my desk. I'll take care of it tomorrow. I'll take care of it tomorrow. I ran out of groceries. I ran out of groceries. I should probably go shopping. I should probably go shopping. I feel like eating something spicy today. I feel like eating something spicy today. This dish tastes really delicious. This dish tastes really delicious. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? I'm not very hungry right now. I'm not very hungry right now. Let's order something different. Let's order something different. I prefer homemade food over fast food. I prefer homemade food over fast food. This restaurant is quite popular. This restaurant is quite popular. The food here is always fresh. The food here is always fresh. I'd like to try something new. I'd like to try something new. I don't have enough time to finish this. I don't have enough time to finish this. Let's meet sometime next week. Let's meet sometime next week. I need to manage my time better. I need to manage my time better. I'll call you as soon as I arrive. I'll call you as soon as I arrive. I've been waiting for over an hour. I've been waiting for over an hour. I'm running a bit late today. I'm running a bit late today. We should leave early to avoid traffic. We should leave early to avoid traffic. I have a busy schedule this week. I have a busy schedule this week. Let's set a time that works for both of us. Let's set a time that works for both of us. I'll get back to you later. I'll get back to you later. I'm currently working on a new project. I'm currently working on a new project. I need to finish this task by tomorrow. I need to finish this task by tomorrow. I've learned a lot from this experience. I've learned a lot from this experience. I'm trying to improve my English skills. I'm trying to improve my English skills. I attend classes regularly. I attend classes regularly. I need to focus more on my studies. I need to focus more on my studies. I often review my notes after class. I often review my notes after class. This topic is a bit difficult to understand. This topic is a bit difficult to understand. I'm making steady progress. I'm making steady progress. I need some help with this assignment. I need some help with this assignment. I'm planning to travel next month. I'm planning to travel next month. I need to book my ticket in advance. I need to book my ticket in advance. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? That's a bit too expensive for me. That's a bit too expensive for me. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? I'm just looking around for now. I'm just looking around for now. I'd like to buy this one. I'd like to buy this one. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I prefer traveling by bus. I prefer traveling by bus. The journey was quite comfortable. The journey was quite comfortable. I'm really happy about the result. I'm really happy about the result. I feel a bit nervous about the exam. I feel a bit nervous about the exam. I was surprised by the news. I was surprised by the news. I'm proud of what I achieved. I'm proud of what I achieved. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I was disappointed with the outcome. I was disappointed with the outcome. I'm excited about the future. I'm excited about the future. I feel relaxed after a long day. I feel relaxed after a long day. I was worried, but everything is fine now. I was worried, but everything is fine now. I feel motivated to keep going. I feel motivated to keep going. I'm going to start a new habit. I'm going to start a new habit. I want to improve myself every day. I want to improve myself every day. I plan to learn something new. I plan to learn something new. I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I will do my best to succeed. I will do my best to succeed. I want to achieve my goals. I want to achieve my goals. I'm working hard to improve my skills. I'm working hard to improve my skills. I won't give up easily. I won't give up easily. I believe in my potential. I believe in my potential.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for more impressive content.